everyone, welcome to the Farmington Public Library. We're going to be showing you how to do an awesome craft. My name is Amanda and I'm one of the librarians here. The craft that we are doing is called Beginner's Calligraphy. And if you tune into Creative Bug at all, one of our subscription databases, you'll see a lot of how-to videos on this. In this kit, you're going to find 3 calligraphy pens. They're different edges, chisel tip markers, and then also you're gonna find a book, and there are 2 different kinds, so if you don't get this one, it's okay. But it's all how to do advanced or to do beginner's calligraphy with examples, how to do it, and then some times that you can actually try it. So we're gonna try it together because I'm not very good at this. But it's gonna be fun, and that's what really matters. So you can do this however you want. You can just read straight from the front, or you can go straight into basic strokes. Let's go into basic strokes. So this one says, you're just gonna go, that didn't look good. Very interesting. And then this one is a little bit thicker. See, even I'm not good at this, so you can do it. This is why it's beginners, because once you get to the end of it, look at this. You're gonna be making these really cool fonts and cool things. I'm not gonna attempt to do this right now because wow, it's gonna be really cool though. Okay, I have to try. I wanna try this one. And it gives you these guides too, which is kind of cool. It's not the most beautiful, but it's mine. I think it looks really cool. What do you guys think? Again, check out Creative Bug because they have so many tutorials that can show you how to do some more calligraphy, and make use of these amazing books. Look at how awesome. So please go pick up one of these amazing books at the reference desk starting today while supplies last. You're gonna get the book and 3 calligraphy pens. I really hope you have fun. Thank you.